Hey everyone, there is a big news from Microsoft. In a recent announcement, Microsoft revealed a significant update to a pricing of Power BI Pro and Premium per user PPO license. This marks the first pricing change in nearly a decade. Let's dive into the details, including what this means for both new and existing users. So, starting from April 1st, 2025, Microsoft is raising the prices for both Power BI Pro and Premium per user license. So, Power BI Pro will increase to $14 per user per month and Premium per user PPU will jump to $24 per user per month. So, this change applies globally to both new and existing commercial customers when their current agreements renew after 1st April 2025. Let's quickly go over what these products are. So, first one is Power BI Pro was launched in 2015 and is a per user license that lets user create, share and collaborate on reports and visualization, and it has received hundreds of updates since launch, including AI powered feature, enterprise grade security and seamless integration with over 100 data sources. Next is Power BI Premium per user, launched in 2021 and builds on Power BI Pro with additional premium features like larger model sizes and faster data refresh rates. It's designed for customers who need those extra capabilities but want a more flexible and per user pricing model. Now, the big question is, how does this affect you? For new customer, if you are signing up after 1st April 2025, you will pay the new rates right away. And for existing enterprise agreement customers, your current pricing will stay in effect until your next renewal. However, after 1st April, any new agreements will use the new pricing. And here's the good news. If you are on a Microsoft 365 E5 or Office 365 E5 annual subscription, there are no changes to the power pricing model. So that's a relief for those who bundle Power BI with their Microsoft 365 or Office 365 plans. So one of the biggest concerns with this price hike is how it affects organization with a large number of Power BI users. If you have embedded Power BI into your product and offer analytics to many users, you are going to feel this change the most. For these companies, the number of license needed can be huge, and this price increase could lead to a substantial rise in cost without any additional value from Microsoft. And that's a significant financial impact on businesses with large scale Power BI deployments. So, to sum it up, Power BI is increasingly prices in April 2025 Pro to $14 per user and Premium per user to $24 per user. If you are an existing customer, you won't feel this change until your next renewal, but for new customer, the pricing applies right away. So, the companies with a large number of users are going to face higher cost, and while Microsoft 365 E5 customers won't see price hike, others should plan for these increase. Okay, so this video comes to an end. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. I truly appreciate your time and interest. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. Thank you.